Well, that happened really quick. I was just sort of on my way back to the ute, and I was just walking up this little gully. I know the pigs sort of travel every now and then, and I'd sort of all but given up because it sort of opens up here, and I just saw two little black backs just over the rise, and I don't know how they didn't win me, but I did a mad dash to try and get around and yeah, get the wind right. And when I popped my head over the hill, they were sort of in line. They had to have been close to cutting the wind, but I didn't even have time to range it. But my rangefinder's trashed at the moment. It's buggered, so I'm going to have to get a new one. But sort of picked it for 30. Sat it right at the shoulder and slammed it. So actually I might step it out. Sorry, the wind noise is going to be pretty ordinary. I was about here. It's about 33. So I did aim a bit higher. It's probably lucky. It's really windy too, so I sort of aim for high lungs. Wind's going hard this way, so sat it on its lungs, and I'd say it's blown over fraction. Pretty sure I hit it good, but I'm just gonna wait a sec. It was a good shot, like really good shot. Anyway, I'll just nose over here slowly and make sure all the Gonskis. That was a bit of an arsey one, but yeah, as I explained, they just sort of popped up, and it was a mad dash. Couldn't set up any cameras, only just had the GoPro going. It was all way too quick before they were going to cut my wind. But yeah, I was lucky enough. Just got into well, I picked it for 30, but it might have been around 33 sort of meters, and yeah, slammed her right behind the shoulder here, and you can see out the point of the shoulder on this side, so that's pretty well where you want to put them and get them to come out every time, you know. And as you can see, I mean, she went 10 meters and she was dusted, so. But yeah, so pumped with that. It's only an old sow, but I mean, the pigs are getting harder and harder to find at the moment. You know, they got exclusion fences going up everywhere, and it's getting hard, and it's only going to get harder. So, but anyway, I got a bit of time left, so I'll go pick up a game camera from another part of the block, and I've got a bit of a plan for to sit out till last light. So might get lucky and find another one, but doesn't matter if I don't. Just happy to get one. So, sweet.